If you're seeing Epic Games error E1003, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple steps that can usually fix it fast. This error is often connected to internet issues, launcher problems, or a corrupted cache, and the good news is that you can try these fixes yourself without any advanced tech skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and step-by-step tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop the Epic Games launcher from working properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected and stable. If possible, open another website or app to confirm that your internet is actually working. Next, restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Close it fully, not just the window, and make sure it's not still running in the background. On Windows, you can open Task Manager and end any Epic Games processes if needed, then reopen the launcher and see if the error is gone. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to clear a temporary glitch. If you're using a VPN, turn it off for now. VPNs can sometimes interfere with the connection between Epic Games and its servers, which may trigger error E1003. After disabling the VPN, try launching Epic Games again and check whether the issue is resolved. If you were connected through a proxy or any network filter, it's also a good idea to pause that temporarily while troubleshooting. Now let's move on to clearing the Epic Games cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for launcher errors. First, fully close the Epic Games launcher. Then, on your computer, go to the Epic Games cache location and find the Webcache folder. Delete that Webcache folder completely. Don't worry, this is safe, and the launcher will rebuild the cache the next time it starts. You see it? After deleting it, reopen Epic Games Launcher and check if the error E1003 is still showing. If the problem continues, restart your computer. A full restart can refresh your network, clear stuck background processes, and apply the changes you just made. Once your PC boots back up, open the Epic Games Launcher again and test it one more time. In many cases, these steps are enough to get everything working normally again. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix Epic Games error E1003, first check your internet connection, then restart the launcher, disable any VPN, clear the Webcache folder, and finally restart your computer. These are the most common fixes and the best place to start before trying anything more complicated. If this video solved the issue for you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.